Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how to make pinto beans with smoked turkey in your slow cooker. This recipe is simple and these beans are so good. So, let's go. Okay guys, in my slow cooker here I have 1 pound of pinto beans that I had soaking overnight. I'm now adding in some water. I'm going in with about 10 cups of water. Now I'm going to add in a smoked turkey leg. Well, my daughter is, she is helping me with this video, so she went in with a smoked turkey leg. So now I'm going to cover this and I'm going to let this cook for a total of 8 hours. So this right here, guys, is not the full 8 hours. This right here is about maybe 5 hours in. You guys see how tender that smoked turkey leg is? The meat is pretty much just falling off the bone. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and get that meat off of there, cover this back up, and just let it cook the remainder of the cooking time, which will be about 2.5 to 3 hours. So here we are here. And you would definitely know how your pinto beans are done because they will look one way before you put them in. They kind of look like little tiger stripes or whatever. But then once they're like this, you're not going to see anything on your beans, okay? That's how you will really know that your beans are done. Look at that. Perfectly cooked pinto beans. The total cook time was 7.5 hours. So now to thicken up that pinto juice or pinto bean juice, which what I love to kind of mix with cornbread, is some cornstarch, and I'm going to give this a good mix, and then I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes before I put a plate together. I made some sweet cornbread, and I also, do you guys see that bone? It is completely clean, okay? I made some sweet cornbread and also some rice to go with our pinto beans. So yeah guys, this is pretty much how I like mine, and I also like to mix mine up, everything together, crumbled up bread with that rice, just give it a good mix and go to town. And I will show you guys here of how I do that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you how I make pinto beans in the slow cooker. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye. We'll be right back.